Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be about things you need to carry to the hostel. So I'm a second year physiotherapy student at Manipal main campus. So you can take these advices from a person who's lived in a hostel for a year. So if you're moving to a PG or even a hostel this year, I think this might help you. So we're gonna be talking about things under categories. So our first category is going to be documents. So first thing you should carry is a college admission order because that's really important. And honestly, your college is going to give you a list of things that you need to carry, like anti-ragging and then hostel allotment and stuff like that. So check with your college what all documents you need to submit, and keep a copy of your parents' PAN card and your Aadhaar card and everything, a printout. Not your Aadhaar cards, so not, obviously not your cards, but your mark sheets. So that you can carry your driving license. Then you would need your passport, some passport size photos. I would personally suggest that please go get ready and get good passport size photos clicked because I look like a drug dealer on my college ID. So yeah, then ATM cards. And with ATM cards, I'll tell you one thing: carry your passbook. And we live in a very digital era. We don't understand that how important passbooks are, but they are actually really important. We just don't realize it. So please carry that. And if your college provides you with health insurance, well and good. Otherwise, please carry your health insurance because it's very very important. And that's it, I think. In documents, carry a very cute folder to keep all of this sorted and arranged. Yeah, that's it. So next category would be electronics. So under electronics, obviously your phone, your laptop, or an iPad, whatever you have. I have an iPad and I honestly just use it for Netflix and reading through PPTs. So if you think iPad has a better use, good for you. I do not find a better use to it. Actually, I do edit from it and I use it for other purposes too, just in case my parents are seeing it. And obviously chargers, laptop charger, phone charger, or iPad charger. But one thing I'll tell you is carry an extra charger because you would need it. You might need it. Not for a vape. Not for a vape. Do not even go there. Like, that's okay. I don't think half of you would have even thought about it. It's just my thinking went there. My bad. Well, a power bank. I honestly do not have a power bank. I do not run out of charge that much. I'm just lying. I'm always out of battery, but I just refuse to buy a power bank because it's too much to carry. Then you would need an extension cord in your hostel because either the plug would be very far away or the plug would be the charging port would be shared by your roommate. So you would need a charging port. So just buy an extension board. If you're going by flight, I wouldn't expect you to spawn a charging port out of nowhere. But what you can do is you can just blink it if Blinkit is available, or you can, obviously you're gonna go shopping with your parents before college, so there itself you can buy this. So what I personally did before going college was I made two lists. I wrote things that I'm gonna buy from home and things that I'm gonna buy there. That way your work would be easier. You'd know what to buy and what not to buy. Then next thing, your phones. Obviously you would need earphones, and I think that's it. I basically just, I'm not a very tech savvy person. I just carry that. If you're from mathematics side, I really don't know what those people carry, but I've seen them have mathematical calculators, so you can carry one of that, I think. Or you should just ask one of your seniors. You can just get into some Reddit string thread. What am I saying? Well, you would let's jump off to next category. Next category would be the stationery you need to buy. The stationery would be notebooks, then lab records if you have lab work, then sticky notes, highlighters, pens, pencils, erasers, sharpeners, and folders and files for sorting out your assignments and stuff, and paper clips. Well, I would say by all of this, once college starts and you know what exactly you need and what order you need, how many notebooks you need and whatever. I went bare hand on the first day of college. I did not even have a pen. So I think you're good to go if like that works for you. Well, the next category would be skincare. Well, a face wash, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. That's all I use for skincare. And a lip balm. I use two lip balms. One I use during the day for that has an SPF because I live in a very hot climate. So I carry that. And during the night, I use the sleeping mask by Lineage. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. Well, I personally use vitamin C during the day and azelaic acid during the night because I struggle with tan and pigmentation because I'm originally from Shimla and it was a very drastic change of environment for me from Shimla to Manipal, so I really got tanned. And yeah, that's all you need for skincare. Carry a mask that you can treat yourself with every Sunday because life gets stressful in college. Life does get stressful in college, so you would need like a day, just wearing a mask and you're like all good to go. Well, that's I think about it because I wouldn't tell you to have a seven-step skincare routine. Considering you're in college, like your skin is new. And one thing I would suggest is please make an appointment with your gynecologist, with your dentist, with your general physician, and with your dermatologist before you go to college, just so that you know everything is good. Everything is good because you never know, you're gonna get a lot sick. You're gonna get sick a lot in college, and you would need it. So just know that everything is fine before you go. Well, the next category is my favorite category, that is makeup. So what I carry in my makeup kit is a foundation, a concealer, a compact, a blush. You can see I apply a lot of blush. Then you have to have a mascara, eyeliner, then lip products. I personally have I guess 3 or 4 lipsticks and a lot of lip balms. I have a lot of lip balms. Then makeup brushes. I just have two makeup brushes, that is two main makeup brushes. One is for my blush and I use a foundation brush and a concealer brush. And other than that, the eye brushes, I took my mom's eye brushes. Well, and a makeup remover. The next category would be toiletries. So under toiletries, a toothbrush, a toothpaste, a tongue cleaner would be for your oral health. Then a lip mask or lip scrub if you use any. Then a mouthwash, soap or body wash. I use a body wash, so I also have a loofah. And I also have a soap just in case. Shampoo, conditioner, hair mask if you use any. Please incorporate oiling your hair in your routine because the hostel water is gonna fuck your hair up, so you would need it. And a comb, a hairbrush, razors, because if you use razors, otherwise whatever hair removal stuff you use, carry that. A nail cutter. I always would recommend you to carry a nail cutter, not prior. I mean, carry 2 nail cutters, one for your hands and one separately for your toes, because it's just the way I like it. I just don't like my hand nail cutter touching my toes. The next category of items would be a medical kit. So when I went to college initially, I did not even have any medical kit. All I had was a paracetamol, and I eventually ended up building a full medical kit because I got hurt, I got burnt, I got so many allergies. So I would say please carry it beforehand. Do not struggle to pharmacy like me. So carry a paracetamol, carry azithromycin if you're allergic, carry any medicine that you would need for stomachache, then carry a cold medicine, ORS packets, band-aids, a lot of them, antiseptic cream, like betadine and stuff. Then you should carry a pain relief gel, that is Move or whatever you prefer. Then any prescribed medicine that you have, and gauze obviously. Then carry a crepe bandage. I think, yeah, very important, carry any medication that you would require for your period cramps. And that is it, I think. Burning ointment, burn all or something of that sort. That's about it. Yeah. Well, I would want to make a separate video on clothes, but for now I would just tell you some basics that you need to carry. First of all, it would be basic tops like tank tops and t-shirts, then oversized t-shirts, then full sleeves tops, then jeans, one black, one blue preferably, then cargo pants, shorts, skirts, dresses, because I go to beach a lot, so I prefer wearing dresses, then nightwear, whatever you prefer, then undergarments, good pairs of socks, like at least 10 to 15 pairs of socks. And if you're in a medical college, obviously you would need to carry kurtas, decent plain kurtas. Please do not try to do anything fancy. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, and carry a pair of sari because you'd have college events. Rest, I think you'll build the wardrobe while you sustain in college. You're gonna have a different lifestyle altogether. You're gonna learn how to dress according to the place. For me, I moved from Himachal to Karnataka, so I learned a lot of dressing things that I would normally not wear in Shimla. So yeah, the next category would be exclusively for someone who goes to gym. Gym tops. By tops I mean I personally wear sports bras with a cover up, mostly jackets, then leggings and shorts. You can carry 3 leggings and 3 shorts. I think that must be enough. Then training shoes. We have to wear separate types of shoes in the gym. We can't wear sneakers. Then lifting straps if you need or you use lifting straps, a water bottle, a protein powder bottle, or a shaker as it's called, then whatever supplements you take, and please wear gloves. I started getting callus around my hands initially, and it really helped me wearing like gloves to protect my hands from having callus. Well, the next category would be just like important items for monsoon, because we all start college during monsoon. Umbrella, then you need to carry flip-flops, like good flip-flops or slides that you wear during monsoons, and extra tarts. That's just a pro tip. So next category, we have things that you require in your room. So first of all, we have bedding. That is, you'd obviously have a bed sheet. A really cute one would help because you need a good environment to live in. Then pillow covers, a blanket and an extra blanket just in case, and mattress protector if the mattress is not as clean provided to you, and a small cushion just in case. I personally keep 2 pillows because you just need back support while you're laying down on your bed and watching your phone, but you can also keep a cushion. The next thing that you'd want to keep in your room would be the things that you require for laundry. I give most of my clothes to laundry, but there are some clothes that you wash yourself. So for that, you would carry a detergent. I think these are things you need to buy there itself. You don't need to carry a detergent in your bag from home unless you're going by car. Detergent, fabric conditioner, mainly something like stain remover, Vanish. I personally use Vanish. Then a laundry bag, then hangers, cloth clips if you dry your hair, clothes outside on a balcony or something. Otherwise, a clothing stand would work for keeping your clothes indoors. And that's about it. A brush to clean your clothes. Yeah, and a tray to keep your soap. The Surf Excel ka small soap you're gonna buy. You're gonna learn all this once you go to college. Then there are gonna be some cutlery that you're gonna keep in your room. That would be a mug, spoon, a fork, a plate, or a bowl. I personally have both. Water bottle, coffee. Then if you drink tea, you can keep tea bags, protein bars, and dry snacks like chips and stuff. I don't you eat anything of that sort. I eat very clean. But if you keep instant, you can keep instant noodles. I've seen a lot of people have instant noodles in their room. And for electronics, I would say you can have a kettle. I don't personally have a kettle because we get warm water and I don't cook. I cannot cook. For the love of God, I can't. So you can have that in your room. And I think that's about it. And I'm so sorry for all the cuts in the video because my phone kept on crashing in between, and I just thought of making this video just before you all start your college, and I don't know why my phone's crashing. I think I'm out of memory storage, I mean. And yeah, what was I saying again? I'm so sorry for all the cuts, and yeah, I might have missed a few things like a doormat also. Just so you know, you need a doormat or a shower curtain if you have a proper shower, because we do. So I think that's about it, and thank you for watching this video, and I'm really sorry for the production quality. It is gonna get better. I really need to fix my phone. I really need to fix the storage on it, and see you in the next one.